Okay, today we're going to take a look at this Toyota oil filter, number 90915-YZZN1. And you can get this oil filter at partstoyota.com for $5.41. Or you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. But I got this oil filter for free. Yep, a very generous viewer, whose name is Brian from Michigan, sent me this oil filter. Thanks, Brian. And this filter fits this 2022 Toyota RAV4 SE. Yep, the one with the 2.5 liter engine. Let's look at this filter and see how it's made. So let's get started.
This is a for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's start with the box. We got here Toyota sticker. And made in Thailand. And what else on the box? Some installation instructions. And that's about it. Alright, let's open her up, see what she looks like. Date code LE30C12. Here also it says Denso, made in Thailand. It's got this plastic covering on it. Okay, she has 8 inlet holes, which are more like slits. Now you can see this is how pre-lubed this O-ring type gasket is. Yeah, that's on there pretty good. It fits right in. It's got a groove in there. Maybe I'll take it off later and show you guys. Let's see, what's it? Looks like a bypass valve down below. Metal core with holes. And the threads is about, looks like about 4 grooves there. Yeah, that all looks good. Nice little filter. Oh, it's pretty oily, huh? Alright, let's cut this filter open and see what's inside. Okay, the weight of the filter is 170 grams. The base plate weighs 87 grams. Take a look at this base plate. And here's the gasket. This looks to be nitro rubber O-ring gasket. You can see the groove right here. It fits right in there. You put it just like that. Yeah, looks like a pretty good. You know what I noticed here was it looks like it's glued inside here. I don't know if other, this is the first time I've actually noticed this on a base plate. See the glue? There's a lot of it actually. I never noticed it on any other base plates. Wonder if this is just a Toyota thing or what. Yeah, you can see the excess there. Cool. All right, and it's got a green anti-drain back valve, which I think this is probably nitro rubber. I'm gonna check it later because it feels like nitro rubber. Yeah, it goes over, it covers the holes up nicely. Okay, and the filter element, which I'll just take this right off. 17 grams, center core, 11 grams. It's got a seam right here, a lot of holes. They're nice and smooth. And the filter element, it's got a nice plastic. This stuff is hard plastic right here, keeping it all together. Both ends. And I counted 45 pleats. They're nicely spaced, they're nice and even, it's clean. I think the seam is somewhere right around here somewhere. But I have no specs on this filter, so couldn't find anything. Toyota doesn't want to really give them out. So what you see is what you get. Yeah, it goes like that. This goes like this. It goes in there like that. And bypass valve. What's the she weigh? 12 grams. And this goes right in here like this. Yeah, so when this is all together, it shouldn't, I don't see no problem of it leaking through. I mean, possibly it could get through there, but it depends how tight it is in there. It's probably real tight. Let's look at the can. Can weighs 40 grams. Okay, in the can, let's get the thickness here. Okay, and check it ahead of time. 0.83, that seems kind of high. Yeah, that seems more like it. 0.47 millimeters. Pretty thick can though. 0.4 to 0.5 is usually about what I get for average. Let's see how this filter looks when it's all put together here. So yeah, when it's tight like that, I don't see it leaking anywhere there. Should be good. Let's get the width, the filter element. .92 inches wide. Yeah, so I say cut this open here. I gotta cut all this off, stretch it out, see how long it is, see how much filter media we have. Be right back. Okay, and here's the filter media all stretched out, and she's 55.5 inches long. Okay, let's check the thickness in this filter media. 0.79 millimeters thick. Get it up close. There you go. Now let's look at the rest of the filter. And I got these little pieces here. I want to see if you can see these up close. The plastic. These things are very hard. These Toyota filters are some of the hardest ones to open up, because you can't really cut this stuff because it's so hard. So that'll never come apart. It's glued really good. Okay, so we got here the can, which is fine. Metal center core with holes. I mean, some people don't like the seam like this. They'd rather have a spiral. And it all looks good. Bypass valve. Looks fine. And base plate looks fine also. The glue's something different. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Okay, and the box, it's got this sticker on it. Some people say they can tell if it's a fake or if it's the real thing by that sticker. Maybe we'll do a burn test. If you've seen in the past, I did one probably about a month ago, or over a month ago, against the silicone and nitro rubber. So we'll see if this is, if it's a white smoke, it's supposed to be silicone, and if it's black smoke, nitro rubber. So let's try it. And also, you got to go by the smell. I know you guys can't smell it, but It's kind of a white smoke. Let me see what it smells like. You know, I think that's silicone. Yeah, looks like silicone to me. Yep. All right, so again, I want to thank Brian for sending me this filter, and I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.